heart I can feel it, and why that wherever I go I'll find my way home. That wherever I go I'll find my way home. It's simple. I think it's beautiful. You could just do it with a strumming pattern that I did with that. So it's just a down, down, up, down, down, up. That's how I did most of the song. But I did some finger picking in the intro and a little in the outro as well, where I went down, pick, pick, down. Yeah, so just keep. I did a down strum on D, and then I just picked my E string once with an open E, and then hammered on with my ring finger because I'd just been coming from a D. At this interlude section at the end, I messed with this D, and I went down, up, down, up, which is a strum that I call the up and off strum. I'll go through it slowly because I know it's, in fact, let's talk it through. Down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Putting on a D, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The whole purpose of that is to give it more interest, because I don't want to do the same thing all over time because it's boring. It's not even boring for the performer, it's boring for your audience. So if you're doing this for somebody, you know, consider spicing it up. And if you don't care to, you're fine. You know, just do with what your ability grants you the freedom to do. 2, ready, begin. Shivering stars drift around in the sky. I lay calm under their watchful eye. In my heart I can feel it, and why that wherever I go I'll find my way home. That wherever I go I'll find my way home. Where the fair winds and following sea slowly rush in and put me at ease, I will sense and follow the breeze, and wherever I go I'll find my way home. And wherever I go I'll find my way home. And wherever I go I'll find my way home. And wherever I go I'll find my way home. Leave me a comment down below. Did you watch the movie? Have you seen this? This was a request from YouTube, and I do want to say that thank you so very much, because I hadn't watched this movie, and you know, I have supported Survivor Girl Ukulele Band for many years. I need to check in with Lori, the woman that runs that. They work teaching ukulele to girls in a rescue shelter in Calcutta, India, who have been rescued from human trafficking. And so this movie is, you know, in a nutshell, is about doing that, right? Making a rescue from victims of human trafficking. So yeah, that's why I did this song. So thanks you so much. I think this was the vegan something. I'll put it down here below. It was her suggestion. Thank you so very much.